Mr. Couponer coming at you with an unboxing and review for Farberware 7-in-1 programmable pressure cooker. It cooks up to 70% faster than a convection oven. This is the box that it came in. It comes with a recipe booklet. Gives you different recipes in it. Comes in English and Spanish. Comes with owner's manual. Tells you basically how to set it up. When you first start, it has the parts that comes with it, illustrations, parts to make sure you got everything in there. Pretty much how to operate it. Haven't used it yet. I'm just got it in the mail today. Shows you how to operate it, clean it, troubleshooting. In both English and Spanish. This is how it came. It came in another box at Walmart. Show that. Hold on 1 second, let me get it out. Alright, I'm back. So as you see, it comes all in the plastic. And pretty much everything is all together. This is what it looks like on the front. It's pretty. Lid is durable, so it feels like it's gonna last a long time. That's the inside of the lid. Comes with a sealing gasket. These are the, I'm not open everything right now, but as you can see, that's the measuring cup, 2 rice ladles, comes with a steaming or roasting rack. It's the inside of the can, 6-quart. It's supposed to be Nonstick. That's the inside of the lid. It's pretty. On the package, it says it weighs 11 pounds. So like I said, it's fairly durable. It comes with a 2-year manufacturer warranty. This is the box. So it's easy to clean with dishwasher-safe, removable cooking pot. But like I said, it's non-stick. I won't be putting it in the dishwasher. 6-quart. Some of the features that's on there is large 6-quart capacity. Has an LED display with 9 preset cooking functions. Safety pressure release valve, which basically if the crock pot is still under pressure, you're not gonna be able to open the lid until all the pressure is released. So I like that. And it says that on there. Excuse me, safety lid lock. And up there it says 2-year limited warranty, which is I got it off of Walmart.com. It was $48, and then I decided to purchase the additional 2-year protection plan, which is $4. So it actually would be a 4-year warranty. that I have on here. Let me see if I can plug it up. Hold on one second. All right, I'm back. So I'm finna plug it up. As you hear, when you plug it up, it makes a beat. The blinking lights is on there pretty much when the pressure cooker is building pressure. And then once it builds pressure, you will see the counter to count down. But I'm just doing a unboxing video. I would do an actual video on it once I use it to show you know, what product I'll be doing and how the product will actually come out. So if you have any questions, comment below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching.